In this video, you'll learn how to create a product manager template in Notion. This guide will take you through each step necessary to set up your workspace effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features various options for starting or accessing your workspace. Next, locate the drop-down menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a list of options. This menu allows you to access different features and templates within Notion. After that, select the Templates option from the drop-down menu. Doing this will redirect you to the Templates page where you can browse various categories and templates available for use. Once on the Templates page, look for the Marketplace section. Click on Marketplace to explore additional templates that have been created by other users. This section contains a wide range of templates tailored for different purposes. Now, type Product Manager in the search bar at the top of the Marketplace page. This action will filter the available templates to show only those related to product management, making it easier to find what you need. Choose a template from the filtered results that suits your requirements. Click on the desired template to view more details about it. You will be able to see a preview, and next, click on the Add button associated with the selected template. This action will initiate the process of adding the template to your workspace. You may notice a loading indicator as the system processes your request. Then, select Add to Private when prompted. This ensures that the template will be added to your personal workspace, allowing you to customize it as necessary without affecting other users. After that, a message will appear stating that the template is being added. This confirmation indicates that the process is underway and you should wait a moment for it to complete. Once the template has been successfully added, navigate to the sample team space that was created. Click on the designated link or icon to access this new workspace where the product manager template will be available. Now click on See Template to explore the newly added template in detail. This will allow you to view its structure and the various components it contains, which can include task lists, timelines, and other management tools. Next, click on Product Roadmap, Ultimate Template to open the specific template you wish to work with. This action will direct you to the roadmap view, which is essential for planning projects effectively. After that, click on Quarterly View to see the roadmap organized by quarters. This layout helps in visualizing the timeline and planning for upcoming tasks and releases. Then click on Timeline to switch to a timeline view of the roadmap. This feature provides a clear representation of deadlines and task durations, which is crucial for project management. Next, select Dependencies to manage and visualize task relationships. This section allows you to identify which tasks rely on others, facilitating better planning and execution. After that, click on Releases to track product releases and milestones. This view helps you stay organized regarding what needs to be delivered and when. Finally, click on Portfolio Roadmap to access a comprehensive overview of all your projects. This section provides a high-level view of your product management activities, ensuring you stay on top of your responsibilities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.